Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to use Asana Tags. So here I am in the Asana website, and then from here, let's go to the Asana workspace. So from here, you can open your desktop app if you have your Asana desktop app, but if not, we can just use the browser application. So I'll just use the browser application right here, and then now we are in the Asana workspace. So for example, let's go to a project right here, and then let's go to list, and then we have the tags column right here. So if you don't see your tags column, what you can do is that you can go right here to add field, and then scroll down, and then you should see tags right here. But if you see this option right here that says that your tags is already added, but you can see it right here, what you can do is that you can go right here to options, and then find right here if the tags column is hidden. So just make sure that the tags column is turned on, and then it will appear right here in your project. And then from here, in order to use tags, so tags are a great way to organize all of your tasks right here. So for example, I have a tag right here that says important for task 1, and then I can go ahead and create tags right here so that I can organize all of my tasks more clearly. So for example, you can have a tag for example your software department. So you can create the tag for software, and then you can also insert the color for it. And then for example, you can have like a tag for accounting. Then you can go ahead and create the tag for accounting, for example. And then you can do this for all of your other tasks right here. So for example, let's add more tags. Let's say weekly meeting, for example, like this. So this is just a great way so that you can organize all of your tasks right here in your Asana project. And then what you can do is that when you already have your tags, you can sort them or have filters so that you can see all of the tags pertaining to a specific tag. So for example, we can go right here, click filter, add filter, and then you should see tags right here. But if not, we can just go right here to sort, and then we should also see tags right here. So let me see. So if you can see the tags right here in the filter and sort options, what you can do is that you can click on the tag itself. So for example, right here for accounting, if I click on accounting, there will be an option right here where I can click it again so that I can view all tasks related to the accounting tag. So I can click on it, and as you can see, it will display all of the tasks right here that is related to the accounting tags. And another feature of using tags is that it is not limited to one project only. So if you have a tag, all of them can be used to all of your projects. So for example, if I create another project right here, so let's just create a project timeline, for example. Let's use this template, click on next, and then let's create the project right here. And then we have another project called project timeline. So from here, we can go ahead and add some tasks as well. So I'll just create another section right here. And then let's say project example, and then example 1. Then let's just create some example tasks right here. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to add the tag column right here. And then we can go ahead and add some tasks, or I mean some tags right here. So as you can see, I can just type in the name of the tag that I have, like for the software. And then as you can see, it will be automatically shown right here that you can add that tag. So using tags is a great way to organize all of your important tasks in one specific tag, or like in one specific place. So if I click on the accounting tag again, so it will display me all of the tags that is related to accounting regardless of the project that it is in. So as you can see right here. And then we can see all of the details right here along with the name of the project when you click on that specific task. And then that is basically it. So you can use tags in different ways. So as an example, I just used the tags right here to display like different departments, but you can also use your tags, for example, to show like urgency between your tasks, or like you can also insert people right here in tags to designate your specific tasks to certain people, and so on and so forth. So this is just an example in how you can use your tags. And then that is it. So I hope you learn how to use tags in Asana, and thank you for watching.